There are 33 bones called as vertebrae which interlock with each other to form the spine or the vertebral column. And between each of these bones, there lies a cushion-like structure called as the intervertebral disc. This disc has very important roles to play, like keeping the vertebral column together, allowing bending movements of the back, and acting as a shock absorber for the spine. In this video, let us discuss about a disease which affects this disc, which is called as Intervertebral Disc Prolapse or the slip disc. Namaste, I'm Dr. Tejaswini and welcome to Best of Homeopathy. The brain sends out a bundle of nerves through a gap in the vertebral column. This is called as a spinal cord. By receiving and sending messages through these nerves, the brain controls and protects every part of the body. If you look closely at the spinal cord, it sends out smaller nerves on both of the sides. All these smaller nerves comes out through the gap present behind the vertebra. In intervertebral disc prolapse or the slip disc, the cushion-like disc is damaged and moves away from its normal position. So this will naturally press on the smaller nerves coming out of the spinal cord. And the most common place for the slip disc to take place is the lower back. The nerves will be damaged because of the pressure and produces symptoms like sudden and severe back pain, which can come and go again and again. One can also develop electric shock-like pains, which is called as the sciatica, which shoots down the back of the thighs. Other symptoms include numbness of legs and muscle weakness. The problem of slip disc is common in old age because of the normal age-related damage which happens to the disc. Other than this, there are some other conditions which can also lead to slip disc. These include direct damage to the spine, constantly lifting heavy weight, and also a sedentary lifestyle where a person is always sitting for a long time, for example like that of a driver. Homeopathy can bring about great relief in these cases with severe back pain and sciatica. One of the most effective medicines is calicarb. It helps in sudden and severe back pain with burning sensation. It helps in severe weakness of the back and legs where the person has to sit or lie down so that they do not fall. If the back pain is more in the early morning, like 3 to 5 a.m., and also if it is felt more on the left side of the back, then calicarb can bring out cure. The second remedy is Aesculus hypocastanum. This remedy helps for those people who always have a dull pain in their back and hips. If the pain increases when the person walks or bends and they have to sit down or lie down to find relief, then Aesculus can help. Usually, the shock-like pain in the legs increases while walking. But if the person feels better by walking, then Valeriana is the remedy. When the severe electric shock-like pains in the thighs increases when the person is standing or just by placing the feet on the floor, then Valeriana can help. Another excellent remedy for slip disc is Restox. It helps when there is more of stiffness and pain in the back and the person finds it difficult to bend or twist. If this pain reduces by lying down on a hard surface like the floor or a tabletop, then Restox should be the remedy of choice. The next remedy is Hypericum. This is an excellent remedy for injuries to the spine. When the spine is damaged because of a fall or accident, and after that if there is severe back pain, then Hypericum will remove that pain and you can find relief. Along with taking medicines, it is also very important to follow some very simple but extremely important steps so that the intervertebral disc is not damaged. It is important for you to lift heavy weights in the right way. Instead of bending down and lifting up the heavy object, bend at your knees to pick up the object and then straighten up. Maintain the right body weight, which is ideal for your height. Maintain good posture when you're sitting or standing, and also take breaks in between work and walk around. Exercise regularly for better fitness of your body. Even simple brisk walking also can be very beneficial. If you have found this video helpful, do share it among your friends and family. Subscribe to this channel for more such informative content. Stay healthy. Thank you.